Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by defining measurable goals so you know what success looks like. For example, a target CAC or % of revenue from affiliates. Next, choose an affiliate model, cost per acquisition, revenue percentage, or a hybrid, because commission drives behavior. Once decided, install a Shopify-compatible affiliate app and connect your store. This handles links and cookies. Make sure tracking and cookie duration settings match your goals, and create a basic program policy so affiliates know rules immediately. Once the app is live, configure the mechanics, define commission tiers, performance bonuses, and cookie length because those decisions shape partner effort. Then produce assets, banners, product links, and unique discount codes so affiliates can convert without friction. Make an onboarding sequence, a welcome email, a resource hub with guidelines, plus ready-to-use creatives. Also configure payout thresholds and tax forms now to avoid delays. Finally, test tracking with 2-3 trial affiliates to confirm conversions are recorded properly before wide recruitment. You launch by inviting top prospects first, existing customers, influencers, and partners, then scale outreach via email and social. Monitor key metrics daily: conversion rate, average order value, LTV, plus suspicious activity that suggests cookie stacking or fraud. Optimize continuously, tweak commissions, refresh creatives, and test messaging. If tracking fails, troubleshoot by checking app permissions, URL parameters, and cookie settings. Rerun a test purchase. Make sure to communicate fixes to affiliates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.